Racing just is started. Okay, approved break quickly to start top. Not sure is on the outside. Punchline Magisterium in the middle portion now is up and slow on a Rosa. Miss Manila Mannequin Chip up stop Kudos. Then next on line is the one it's Lucky Lorky. Is Speedy Maki while is Marias is the early trailer by about 15 lengths of the leader as they swing down the back we have top. Not sure by our link anyhow. Okay, approve is right behind in second. Punchline on a Rose is racing in fourth. Up. Penslow is down and tip. Then next on line is Magisterium. Kudos comes next. Mannequin Chip. Up stop comes next. Miss Manila. Tawan is Fidimaki. Is Marias while Lucky Lorky now racing in 14th. And at the part turn we have top. Not sure by our length anyhow. Okay, approved still in second. Punchline is on the outside. Opens low, finds some opening. Down on the inside is Mannequin. And as they swing for home, we have top. Not sure by our length. Mannequin is lifting down on the inside. Okay, approved is on the outside. Last 100 meters, we have top. Not sure, followed by Mannequin down on the inside. And finally, it's top. Not sure. Mannequin, okay, approve, open slew, punchline, then comes Zoro Rosa.
9, 11, 6, 7, 10.